G'day guys and girls, Ian here, one of the tech reps at Evic. Now today I've been told I've got to do this unboxing video. So pretty much what it is, we live in a society where we document and film everything of our boring lives, and apparently you guys like to watch this. So here we go, I'm going to unbox it. But let's talk about the outside. The good thing about these new VX4000 Voodoo guns is they're all color coded. So from your 1.3 to your 1.4 to your 1.7 to your 2mm gun, they're all color coded. So if you've had a big weekend, you're a little bit dusty come Monday morning, always helps just to have a look at that color of the gun and you know what size you've got, gets you out of trouble. Okay, the rest of the gun, the box, it's got this sort of crap here. I suppose you're going to have to buy the box to figure that one out. I'm all about paint and spray guns, so let's open it and see what happens. And it opens like a box. And good things in it, it's got tools which you always need, you're always going to lose them. But here at Evic we've got heaps and heaps of parts and accessories for these guns. If you're having a bad day and you've dropped it and buggered up the air horn on the air cap, so we've got you back with that. Comes with all the tools, so that's a bonus. Instructions on how to build this shit, but truthfully it's a very easy gun to put together, as I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. You can see here the gravity fed pot, it's color coded. So this guy here, I'm pretty sure, yep, it's a 2mm one. Pull the body out of the gun out. And there it is. The Voodoo VX4000. Now I've been lucky enough to use the prototype for quite a few months now, and I'm quite loyal to my gun brands. And when management told me that I've got to use this gun and try it out, tell us what you think. Look, I absolutely love this gun. I've got one of my own now, and you know, I'm a huge fan of it. So, and I just like the way it's presented. Like, it's got a swivel fitting at the bottom so your line doesn't get tangled up. The black body, you can put it in Evic's 202 different strip, it's always going to stay black. And there you go, you can see the air cap, because this is a 2mm, you can see the blue ring, and that tells you that you've got the 2mm Voodoo gun. So look, I really love it, and I suggest you guys come into Evic and have a look and see what we've got. Ask some questions about the Voodoo. Awesome gun, and it's a real ball terror. My name's Ian, I'm one of the tech reps at Evic, and remember, Evic's all about high productivity. So basically you're in and out of the booth faster, and this gun is going to get you there even quicker. Get home, cut your grass. Anyway, I'm out of here. Spray safe. So I'm going to take a leak now. I guess you guys want to film that as well.